another student of Hyderabad Public School, Alekya. Alekya, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi guys, my name is Alekya. I'm from Hyderabad Public School.
Standard?
8th standard.
8th standard. Very good, Nana. And are you ready to perform your talent?
Yes sir.
What's your talent?
Sir, drawing.
Drawing. She would like to do the drawing now. Before that, just I would like to do the few tasks behalf of Mindvision. Why? Because we are all
Mindvision.
Mindvisioners. We are all
Mindvision.
and superhumans. Okay, Nana. Shall I try?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now, Alekya is going to perform the colors and objective colors. Ma, what is an objective color? Huh?
Orange.
Very good. What is an objective color? Very good. And
Yellow.
very good. What is an objective? Okay. Which color?
Blue and white.
Very good. And what is there? Color is correct. What is there in the image? Yes.
Eagle.
Very good. It's an eagle. And anybody else? Anything you would like to give? Yes. I would like to give her a mobile with an image. She is going to grasp what was there as an image in the mobile phone. Guys, I'm showing this image now.
First woman.
Okay. Is a human. Okay. Okay, which color? Dress. Very good. She identified me. Okay. Okay. Very good job. Yeah, very good. Now she is gonna performing her talent drawing. What picture you are going to draw, ma? Yes, I'm giving you. What picture you wanted to draw? Please draw it. Yes. She is going to draw a picture on the piece of paper, and what she is going to draw, let us see. Done, na? Okay. Really surprising to see, right? Very good. Congratulations, Nana. Really fantastic the way she has made this kind of diagram. Flower vase. She has made the fantastic job. Really appreciate you, Tali. See how beautifully she designed. She decorated jar even while blindfolded her eyes. Very good, Nana. Congrats.